Hey, I'm really excited. I just got this tool organizer cart. This is what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. I'm going to show you how the parts look, show you some of the installation, and then just how functional that this thing really is. If you're like me and you have tools, they're everywhere. As you can see, I need some better organization. This is going to help. There's really not that many different pieces. We have the different shelves, the baskets, the shelves where you can hang the tools. This one does come with casters. That's very nice. So you can move this around. You're going to have two of them that lock, two of them that do not. And you have some of these different hooks that are going to go into these side pegboards, which is great. You could take the hooks, place them on different areas along here that you desire. You can do that on both sides. Here's the tool organizer cart all put together with the hooks on the side. You have this nice wire shelf down on the bottom with this wired basket here. You have another wired shelf up on top, and you have the hooks here as well as on the side pegboards on both sides. It's very nice that it's on wheels, makes it very easy to move. I do like the handle, feels great in the hand. So I feel way more organized with this cart. You can see it holds a lot of your tools. I like how the tools can hang underneath there, as well as on the side. Plenty of room. The shelves are great for organizing my different toolboxes. Well, this is exactly what I needed. How about you? Does your garage need a little bit more organizing? Do you need someplace to hang your tools? I really like this cart. I think it's very functional. It's very sturdy here. It's easy to move around. You can grab it, slide it over to where you need to work, and then easily push it back out of the way when you're done.